Howdy guys, I got a small video I want to make here of the Cessna 421 inside and out. I'm going to just get a few close-up shots for you guys. Hopefully go inside the cabin here. Spacious as hell in this plane. There's a wing view right there. They left the cockpit here. Come on, you damn camera. Alright, here we go. Your mixture, your prop, your throttle. Look at this. There's your fuel selectors, I think. Yep. Emergency shut off. Got some cool ass wing views on this plane. Cessna 421, I said. Owned by Custom Fire Apparatus. Or by Jim Cravita. Thanks enough he let me take a quick peek into his 421, and also another surprise coming up. Go on the other side. Ah, my foot. Very beautiful plane. I flew in it once, didn't get video. I did on my phone, but that was a long time ago and the phone is long gone. Just wanted to give you guys a quick peek of the 421 here. Golden Eagle. Thanks for watching.